To set up and use extended unlock in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select security and privacy. After that we can navigate down until we find the more security and privacy options, and here we should be able to find the extended unlock. You can then select it and unlock your device, and here click on Got It. Now there should be three options that allows you to extend unlock your phone. First one is on body detection. You can enable it, and how it works, it basically won't lock your device until your phone is in motion. So if you're moving with your phone, walking, just moving it around, it should never lock down, and you'll be able to unlock it without a password. Then there's the trusted places. You can activate this option, and then here on the map you'll be able to select the trusted place by clicking on this plus button. You will see a map, and then you can select the area on the map where you want your phone to be always unlocked, and so that you won't need to provide it with a password. And lastly, there's a device extend unlock, and if you have any trusted devices added connected through the Bluetooth, right here with this plus button, you'll be able to also remain your phone in the unlocked mode unless the device is disconnected from your phone. So if you have that Bluetooth device added and connected, your phone will never lock, and if you disconnect this device, then it will return to normal mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.